American Airlines has recently introduced the latest addition to its flight, the Boeing 737 MAX 10, making an exciting milestone in the airline efforts to enhance its operations with newer, more efficient aircraft. The 737 MAX 10 offers several key advantages such as increased fuel efficiency, more seating capacity, and cutting-edge technology aimed at improving the flying experience for both passenger and crew. Enhanced efficiency and capacity. One of the standout features of the 737 MAX 10 is its ability to accommodate more passengers compared to airline models with a seating capacity for up to 230 passengers. The MAX 10 is perfect for high demand routes, offering American Airlines the ability to serve more customers without compromise comfort. This capacity increase combined with improved fuel efficiency allows the airline to cut costs and reduce its environment impact. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. The 737 MAX 10 is part of Boeing's new generation of aircraft designed with the environment in mind. The aircraft is built with advanced engines and improvement which contribute to a 14% reduction in fuel consumption compared to previous model. As a result, American Airlines can operate more sustainability oil engine with the broader goals of reducing emissions in the aviation industry. Advanced technology and passenger comfort. Passenger on the 737 MAX 10 will notice significant improvements in their in-flight experience. The aircraft is equipped with the latest technology including quieter engine which reduce noise pollution both in the cabin and outside the aircraft. Additionally, the cabin features modern amenities such as large overhead bins for more storage and improved lighting to create a more comfortable atmosphere. Safety features. Safety continues to be a top priority for American Airlines. The 737 MAX 10 comes with the latest safety enhancements including upgraded flight control system, advanced surveillance, and state-of-the-art navigation equipment. These improvements are designed to make operations more reliable and minimize risks during flights. American Airlines future with the addition of the 737 MAX 10. American Airlines is positioning itself for a competitive future in the rapidly changing aviation industry. The new aircraft will allow the airline to expand its reach, operate more efficiently, and provide a better experience for passengers. As American Airlines takes flights with the Boeing 737 MAX 10, it's clear that the airline is committed to both innovation and sustainability in its operations.